Báilseireacht go dtí Let's Learn Irish. Is Misha Arj, agus topic na seachtain inniu, Scannáin, movies, agus seoíd na Focail agus na Frásaí. Action movie, Scannán action, actor, Aisteoir. Adaptation, Cóiriú. Animated film, Scannán beochana. Detective film, Scannán bleachtaireachta. Director, Stiúrthóir. Director's cut, Leagan an Stiúrthóra. Film censorship, Cinsireacht Scannán. Filmmaker, Scannánóir. Genre, Seánra. Popcorn, Grán rósta. Producer, Léiritheoir. Psychological thriller, Scéinséir síceolaíoch. Streaming, Sruthú. Superhero, Sárlaoch. Western, Scannán buachaillí. I watched Dark Mare. I would recommend it. Wólinné. I really enjoyed the film. When me an-sult as an Scannán. She's a real film buff. Is saineolaí ceart na Scannání. She's obsessed by horror movies. Tá sí an ngreim ag Scannán uafáis. I went to the cinema at the weekend. Hui me higa fictarlan ag a deir seachtaine. Comedies / romantic films are my favorite. Is iad Scannán ngreim no Scannán romansúla na Scannán is fearliom. The film snagged 7 Oscars. Jerry leis a Scannán seach na Oscar all. They go to the cinema quite often. Chain she'd higan fictarlin sach minnick, no higan bictarlin sach minnick Scéinséir de Canawinch. The critics trashed the film. Rin na Léirtheoir durí scanner chair and Scannán. Biggie parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.